In this video, we will learn about libraries and the role that they play in C++ programming. A library is a collection of pre-written code that we use to make repeated system calls. Libraries take care of the details of what each function does. We call their functions. In this way, the library functions as an interface. Not only can we create our own custom libraries, but most compiled languages have a standard library. C++ has a standard library, and we will learn about it in the next lecture. In this video, we will learn about C++'s standard library. The standard library is made up of two parts, which are the standard function library and the object-oriented class library, respectively. It is essentially a collection of useful classes and functions. To learn more about the standard library and take a look at its contents, we can navigate to the following URL, docs.microsoft.com/en-us/cpp/standard-library/standard-library-overview. By familiarizing yourself with the standard library and the functionality that it offers, you can help ensure that you don't reinvent the wheel and save time and effort when programming.